Hello class. Today we will learn about quantification of physical properties. What are physical properties?
Physical properties of a material are the properties that can be seen or measured. Some of the common examples are electrical resistance, elasticity and density.
Good. Now, let us look at one of the subgroups of physical properties, which are mechanical properties. Mechanical properties of the material tell us how it would respond when a force is applied. Can you give some examples of mechanical properties and define them?
Elasticity. This is the ability of the material to come back to its original shape after the applied force has been removed. Another example could be plasticity. It is the capability of a material to undergo irreversible or permanent deformations without breaking.
Excellent. So as you can understand, different materials possess different properties. The selection of the material for a particular application is derived from the property to be exploited for the particular application.
So how are these properties quantified?
These properties are usually quantified by performing experiments. These experiments can range from very simple to highly complex. Let us understand this by looking at examples. For example, let us focus on elastic modulus, which is a measure of elasticity. This property can be evaluated using tensile test. The following image shows a tensile test. In this experiment, the material is pulled, and the force along with elongation is recorded. It is a straightforward experiment, and elastic properties can be calculated easily, whereas quantifying fracture properties can be very complicated.
Very interesting.
From the example we saw, we can say that evaluating mechanical properties for materials for advanced applications can be a difficult task, and a lot of researchers are working on this problem. One of my friends in University of Belgrade, Vladimir, and his student Schwatank are doing research on quantification of mechanical properties. Let's talk to Vladimir and ask him about the research of his team. Welcome, Vladimir. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Always a pleasure.
Could you please tell us about your research work?
The research currently being done by our group is to quantify mechanical properties of materials to be used for complex applications. The materials under research are advanced ceramics. Some of the areas of applications of the ceramics being studied are refractory material, which are used in high temperature range, like in furnaces, owing to their stability and good strength under very high temperature conditions. Another leading area of the exploitation of properties of ceramics is in space shuttles. Ceramic tiles are used on outer surface of space shuttles to protect the space shuttle against high temperatures. These materials are also finding great utility in body armors of soldiers and police officers, since ceramics can impart extreme hardness.
So how do you go about quantifying properties of such sophisticated materials?
To understand the properties of final product we use, we need to understand the process adopted to manufacture them. Thus, the current research aims at studying these different processes to manufacture these advanced ceramic materials, and then quantifying their mechanical properties.
Thank you so much, Vladimir. That was very informative. Talk to you soon about your research.
Pleasure. I am glad to share the new research and developments. Bye.
Bye.
That was so interesting. Thank you very much. I can't wait to learn more about this.
I am glad. We will learn more in our next class.